Wah Umngot kabala kring ikinong man siyangkay pertay na kaleng, na marga jingko jingsungur ka kabalong ka buhay na kilat kamay jakpo ikinongshong shnong kathan, kadan haka jingma na marga jingpuntuit kendo da ka company kabashna ya ka surok shlong dawki. Menteri bat ubalong ru MLA kathan uba Lahkmen rumbui, ulapan pau ya ka jingsungur kya, halur ka jingkala rong kawa, na ka jingsna surok ka company. Kawa ka ktieh, ka jingdu nong yakalat kamai jakpo nongshong shnong laong uba Lahkmen bat banjur baka ni kawa kalong ka bakongsan na kabenta ka tourism ni ka kamjungok kai bat nongshong shnong. Uba rumbui ulaong baka tika company kalatek kendo ha kaway kawa duit kabatut siya Wah Umngot kabala pelong ya ka ban ktieh. Deputy Chief Minister uba President nongshong ulakintu ya ka nika company bakan shimikilat gilinti ban penben kenang ban yada na kajingsha punjulor kawa. Uba rumbui kumi linti bagi bor badai pen kinle AA la kajingshna ka pen kenyi gikindon jong ka detailed project report DPR. Ka pollution board ni kibor badai pen kin shimikisinjam kat kum gikindon jong ka an ulaong. Wah Umngot ka deka jaka jungok kai pertay ka bakongsan bat ka ka bakhoy bat ka basngur kalong ka bakongsan bahana ka benta ka jingim jeng nongshong shnong. Uba rumbui ukermen bagi bor badai pek kin shim kya kloy ban wanra biang ya kaburam jong kawa bat ban pentik na bagi jimantoy nakakam jungok kai pertay kin dange beteng ban poy shi nongshong shnong gajela.
We cannot deny the fact that Umngot River is famous for its crystal clear water, where the people who are doing boating, the people who are fishing, they really love the Umngot River. But recently, due to the reason unknown to me, but having said that, the water of River Umngot has turned muddy, which is affect the life of the fish or any thing are living there, living bodies in the water. Not only that, it also affects the livelihood of the people, because as I said, there are many tourists all over the world who are longing to go to Umngot. They have made the program 6 months, 5 months, 1 year beforehand. They want to go to Umngot to see how is that crystal clear water, how is that the beauty of that river. But as I said, in the last few weeks, due to the expansion of the road, not near the Umngot, but it seems that just below Lahkmen, there is one small tributary of Umngot, or so the rivulet which flows to Umngot. So if you remember correctly, that a few weeks back before Puja or in the midst of Puja, there's a heavy landslide in that area, and it seems that the company or the contractor who is doing the work, that they dump the soil just to clear the road. They dump the soil nearby. So it seems that soil, because it falls into that rivulet or stream, so it carries into the river Umngot. But the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister have already spoken to the company to see that how that this river, this beautiful river, which is an assets of the state, assets in the sense that tourism, Umngot is one of the destinations, Shnong is one of the destinations, Dati is one of the destinations of the tourists, where because of that, the people from Khanapara till Shlong till Umngot, they earn the livelihood. It should not affect their livelihood. So the company have responded positively to see that if there is any corrective measure, it can be done so that the glory of River Umngot, the pristine, clear, crystal clear river, it will be there for the benefit of the state, because a muddy River Umngot is a loss for the livelihood of people. It's not the question of the precautionary measure. It is a question of that. It seems, as I said before, that during the weeks leading to the puja or after puja, if you remember correctly, that for many days the stretch after Lahkmen court was closed due to the landslide and also the rain. So in that movement, it seems that this company have tried to clear as much as possible. So it seems they took advantage of that and dumped everywhere. So this effect. So because if they don't throw into the stream or rivulet, because now there is no rain, so the water will be clear. And of course, during rainy season, I cannot say that, because during construction, we cannot just stop the running of the rainwater or any stream. But at least during winter, during this time, so the water should be clear.